We all dream about living the dream, but very few of us actually know what the dream is, including us. Here's our adventure into discovering it.
Welcome to our channel. Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Tash. Good morning. We have decided that we're going to have a week break out on the west coast of France.
Les températures, alors là, ça monte nettement avec des 31 degrés qui remontent jusqu'en Bretagne à Rennes.
I'm kind of excited because we're going to go surfing for the first time in how many years?
I don't know, 2? No.
We went in Costa Rica. A year. So I'm dying to get into the water. A little bit nervous about the cold water, but no, it's going to be cool. So if you can see, there's chaos. We've literally just woken up. We're currently booking our Airbnb. Trying to be nice to our host. And we've got the surfboards out from the cave. Wetsuits, which we haven't worn in a couple of years. It's going to be interesting. So let's see how it goes. Hours is manageable, but it's really far. It's really far.
Yes, it's always far.
So we are on our way to the west coast, called JB. What's it?
Called the West Coast.
No, the area.
Bretagne.
Bhutan.
No, not Bretagne. Bretagne.
Bretagne.
Exactly.
Also, aka Brittany in English. There should be some good waves on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then there's a storm coming on Thursday. So it's going to be very interesting to get back in the water. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest. How do you feel?
Excited. 3 meter. I can't wait for the fight.
You're the only one surfing that day. I'm not surfing 3 meters. Spot that we could find in the area, which looked somewhat decent, and we also don't really want to share. We didn't want to share a apartment or like bedroom because it's going to be a couple of days. So yeah, this is pretty cool, but it's in a bit of a weird neighborhood. It's like, this is so pretty, and then you go outside and you're like, how did this happen? Anyway. So yeah, we've arrived and we need to unpack, and I wanted to show you the apartment before all of our stuff was in here because we've got surfboards and all that shit, so it's just going to be a little bit of a nightmare. I mean, our little home for the next few days. It's so cute. Look at this guy. And it's got the toilet. I mean, the bathroom is a bathroom, I guess.
Shit is gonna come down, but the wave, if I put the wave size, is gonna be okay. And Wednesday is gonna be, the storm is coming and the rain and so on.
I think JB will be surfing on Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday morning probably like.
And I'll probably take some videos. Okay, I think I'm gonna. Oh. I think I'm gonna get ready. It's a lot of like hikers.
Yeah.
It's actually very busy compared to hiking and surfing. Liverpool beach is set.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah?
Let's do that.
I think I need to put my shoes on back. The worst puzzle thing is to put a wetsuit on. Especially one which is old and tight. In real life.
Surfing is hard.
Proper dead.
Proper dead?
Oh, I'm like, the last wave I tried, I was like, no, I have to go home. And I was like, one more. I was like, no.
Fuck.
I know, I've been like 1 hour 40, 1 hour 30 in the water.
Yeah.
That was intense.
It's horrible.
It was
That wetsuit is so shit.
Huh?
Wetsuit is so
Ah.
shit. Oh man, I forgot what it feels like to be in a
Just go without
wetsuit.
the wetsuit.
Oh no, I tried, but I took my the cappy thingy off
And it was like too cold.
and I went into the water. I was like, oh my god, that's freezing.
I'm awake.
It was a surprisingly beautiful location and the waves were amazing, and JB says that kind of happens once or twice a year according to the beautiful weather, plus the waves are perfect, so it was really nice. But I do need to get a wetsuit because I've realized my wetsuit is too old and is impossible to get on. And so I think we're going to probably go to Decathlon tomorrow just to get a better wetsuit, because I found that popping up was really difficult. Just because like my arms, I couldn't actually go straight. Anyway, so we're going to probably do that tomorrow. And we've also decided to change locations in the Airbnb. This one's just a little bit too far from the locations that we want to be surfing tomorrow morning and the next day. So we have cancelled the booking and we are going to move somewhere closer to Crookston. Is that how you say it?
Crozon.
Say it?
Crozon.
Crozon? Crozon. It's like, it feels like you're in between South Africa, Wales and England. I guess Wales and England are kind of similar. I don't really know how to explain it. It's just so hilly, and then you've got these beautiful turquoise like ocean parts, and then you've got waves in like other sections. It's quite special. I wish we were here for a little bit longer, but we need to get back to Paris.
And the storm is coming, so it's pointless when it's raining.
True.
It's gonna be shitty weather.
But yeah, we need to get back to Paris at some stage. But I need a wetsuit.
Yeah. Good help.
So, yeah. It really was a shitty wetsuit last night. I need to figure out how would I sell that thing?
Oh, don't. Just burn it.
Just don't burn it. Anyway, so how long will it take until we get to
20 minutes?
Okay.
Just there.
Oh, it's a short one.
Yes, just a little bit.
Oh, nice, okay. So, stay tuned. This looks so much better. Look, I've got so much more room.
Again? The size, are you good?
Yeah, perfect. The feeling of putting that over your head, it literally makes you feel like I want to like punch someone. But yeah, this is so much better because my previous wetsuit, the crotch was like halfway down my legs, so it was really difficult to move my legs up. So now I got a new wetsuit. Hike to a place called the Virgin. I keep forgetting the name of it.
Island?
Virgin Island. It's like turquoise water. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Look at that. You know how sometimes when you look at photographs on Google,
Yep.
and they're like, you get to the spot and it's really shit, but it looks beautiful on Google? This is like, I think, beyond more beautiful than the picture that we found on the magazine.
Mountain goat connection. One flip flop, and the second one. We made it. JB and Tash. She made it with her 2 flip flop. It really worth it.
Wow, look at that guy. That is so stunning. Feel relaxed?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
All the bags, because he just knows that I won't be able to. Go. 1, 2. What the fuck? Oh, excuse my language. That's very impressive. We have no guests besides us.
I think they're closed because there is not even a waitress. Or
No, we've got some waiters over there, standing on the...
And there, if you look very, very far away, you can see the storm coming. But it really feels good eyes because I can see it. But it's coming tomorrow.
It's like weirdly shiny, like there's like a shine level. How's the body feeling?
Amazing. Cold water. Thank you, Cillian.
You are young, you're a baby.
That's conservation.